All right, so we know the old saying, garbage in, garbage out, right? So how important is data accuracy for what you guys do?
Extremely important. So if our resources don't know how to use the software, and if the software doesn't provide what we need, then the quality of our work to our client goes downhill. So we want to make sure that we have all the information, it's getting put into the system correctly, that the software is handling the data correctly, and we're getting the right information out. So we're benchmarking to make sure, hey, is it happening as soon as it needs to? Is it looking correct based on our deliverables that we've been presenting? So we base it on drawings, right? So if the drawing looks correct, is it scaled right? Is it going to be correct coming out the model? Is it clash free, which is important in the model, right? You're building the model, you're going to build it once on the model, you're going to build it once in the field. So you want to make sure it's built right in the model first. So we're using taking advantage of the software as much as we can for that accuracy.
And a lot of that automation talk about is one of the reasons why we embrace automation is to take out the human error element as much as possible too. So when you're inputting the data from the human hand, you have to be extremely detailed and accurate and everything, or else it just doesn't work, correct?
You do, and obviously there's some art to it, right, whenever you're designing, but we're trying to take the mundane tasks out, so we're making macros to do certain things that we know are going to be repeatable. So certain sizes, we want to make sure when they put in a ground grid that it's going to come out the same way every time based on the size of the substation or the foundations. They're going to get designed accurately based on the engineering tool that's being used to do it. So absolutely, the more repeatable the function, the better.
Other than macros, what are a way or two that you're actually ensuring that the data is clean going in?
So obviously we have quality checks. So we're doing quality checks from the engineers. We have reports that we can run that'll give us accurate information on, hey, what do the cables look like? What are they connected to? What drawings are they showing on? Are they showing up multiple times? Is the equipment showing up multiple times? Naming convention is very important. So if we have everything named properly, we can do a lot more integration with our drawings. We can do checks based on, hey, is this the structural information that's going correctly to the civil, to the electrical? Just keeping everything in sync. It gets very big on electrical drawings too.